Welcome to my blog. There's a cockroach flying. It just went over to me and I slapped it with my jacket. I don't know where it went. Where could it be? Maybe under this bed. I don't know. I want it dead. Wait. I'm gonna go look. Okay, I'm scared. Where did it go? Where did it go? Why does it has to be a cockroach? Why am I in? Okay, I guess I see the point. I need to tidy up, but really, a flying cockroach.